Hey guys, this is Ben from North Mason High School SWAT. Today I want to introduce a game to you guys. This game is called King of Math. You can download it from the App Store. When you go into the game, first enter your name. And then choose the character you want. And start playing that. You can see there's a lot of topics you can choose, but some of them you need to purchase it. And right now my one is the free version, but there's still 3 topics about that on the top. So go back, and I just randomly choose one of it. Since the game starts, there are 4 options in the bottom, and you need to choose the right answer. Try to finish it as quick as possible because it counts off your score. And if you answered it wrong, it will deduct 5,000 points. And I'm gonna finish it right now. Yeah, and then after that you can see your score, and then you can do again whatever you want. And I think that this app is useful because students are having fun while they are playing the game, and you can also learn math at the same time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, you can contact me by the email.